auto snap. The 1984 Austin Mini is a standout in automotive history, representing a continuation of the iconic British design that had already charmed drivers for decades. This model retained the compact, quirky appeal that made the Mini a household name, but with slight refinements to keep it competitive in an evolving market. The essence of the Mini remained intact, with its small size and efficient layout making it a favourite for urban driving and tight spaces. As larger, more powerful cars gained popularity, the Mini stayed true to its roots, prioritising practicality, affordability and driving pleasure. The 1984 Austin Mini was powered by a reliable 998cc engine, which provided a balanced mix of performance and efficiency. Despite its modest output, the lightweight construction of the Mini ensured a zippy and responsive ride. The 4-speed manual gearbox enhanced the driving experience, allowing for full control and engagement with the road. This combination made the Mini feel lively and fun, reinforcing its reputation as a car that was as enjoyable to drive as it was economical to own. The car's small turning radius and nimble handling made navigating congested city streets a breeze, and it was equally at home on winding country roads. On the exterior, the 1984 Mini remained largely faithful to its classic design, with subtle updates that enhanced its appeal. Chrome accents around the grille and headlights gave the car a touch of elegance, while new paint colours allowed owners to express their personality. The unmistakable round headlights and compact frame continue to define the Mini's instantly recognizable look. Its compact dimensions made it an ideal city car, perfect for squeezing into tight parking spots and darting through traffic with ease. The interior of the 1984 Austin Mini was designed to be simple yet functional. The dashboard was minimalist, featuring essential gauges and controls without unnecessary distractions. The seats were modest but comfortable, and the overall cabin layout made the best use of the limited space. The Mini's charm lay in its simplicity, with design choices that prioritized practicality and driver focus. Though compact, the interior provided enough room for 4 passengers, making it a practical choice for small families or groups of friends. In terms of reliability, the 1984 Austin Mini stood out for its straightforward mechanical design. The absence of complex electronics meant that repairs and maintenance were relatively simple and affordable. This contributed to the Mini's popularity among DIY enthusiasts and mechanics alike. Its robust construction ensured longevity, and many 1984 Minis are still on the road today, a testament to their durability and enduring appeal. The availability of spare parts and the supportive community of Mini enthusiasts have helped preserve these cars for future generations. The cultural impact of the Austin Mini cannot be overstated, and by 1984 it had already cemented its status as a British icon. From starring in films to winning races, the Mini transcended its humble beginnings to become a symbol of innovation and charm. The 1984 model carried on this legacy, appealing to drivers who wanted a slice of automotive history with modern touches. Its combination of style, affordability, and performance made it a unique offering in the market, standing out even in an era dominated by larger and more powerful vehicles. Driving the 1984 Austin Mini was an experience like no other. The car's lightweight frame and responsive steering created a sense of connection between driver and road, making even short trips enjoyable. The Mini's small but efficient engine delivered impressive fuel economy, reinforcing its reputation as a practical and cost-effective choice. Owners appreciated not only the savings at the pump, but also the sheer joy that came from piloting such a distinctive and engaging vehicle. Today, the 1984 Austin Mini remains a cherished classic, beloved by collectors and automotive enthusiasts worldwide. Restored examples fetch respectable prices, and the vibrant Mini community continues to celebrate this iconic car through rallies, shows, and gatherings. The enduring popularity of the Mini speaks to its timeless design and universal appeal. Whether as a weekend cruiser or a fully restored showpiece, the 1984 Austin Mini continues to capture hearts and turn heads, standing as a testament to the brilliance of British engineering and design.